Then there's one more new thing. There's an announcement. I can't call it an announcement. I just have this plan, and I wanted to ask you people, what do you think about that? Hi, welcome back to my vlogs after quite a long time. I mean, like 1 month maybe, or maybe more than 1 month. You know what? I was really busy with my projects. Not projects, it's just project, just this one little project I'm doing. So, really time consuming. So, was busy with that. So, was not really much into vlogging nowadays. So, today at this ungodly hour, that's like around 1 a.m. in the night, I decided I should vlog. I was missing it quite, that adrenaline rush that I get from vlogging. I was really missing it. So I thought, why not vlog today? Just busy with those projects. Right now that you saw was the literacy review of my project. I was just going through that, so and there's like little 21 tabs open in Chrome. So my bad habit, and that's why my computer hangs. Unfortunately, Anyway, so welcome back to my vlogs. It's the end of July, and we are in a pretty good phase right now in Ireland because the number of cases in Ireland is really low, fortunately. And yeah, so the number of deaths is like 0 from the past 4 to 5 days. And well, that's a pretty good news for me as well as my friends here. So yeah, that's one more reason to vlog, because I was happy, in a happy mood, So yeah, let's check what my roommate is doing right now. Here's the guy, busy with his projects. What are you doing?
Oh, project?
Project?
Yeah.
What's your project related to?
It's related to a noise model of a wind turbine.
Yeah. That's his project, and my project is something related to electrical. I'm a mechanical guy, but I took up an electrical project because, yeah, I know. I really wanted to really go a step further and experiment with a new kind of a thing. As for me, I think electrical is that zone which I'm really not comfortable in, so I thought, why not, why not do it? Anyway, it's 1 a.m. right now. The unfortunate thing is that we haven't had our dinner till late night now. It's not even late night. It's crossed late night, right? Well, what do you call 1 a.m.? It's not late night. It's over late night. Over. So anyway, we're gonna have something that's the lunch that we had. We have a lot of rice and dal already. So just gonna have that and some eggs maybe. And yeah. So how have you guys been doing during this tough time? Back in Assam, the floods are going on. There's the pandemic, and I'm pretty sure it's all messed up. So hard times everywhere, and I really hope that everything passes as soon as possible. And 2020 is bringing in a lot, a really lot. So I think if I know the way it's toning down right now, the way it's getting quieter, it seems like it's getting quieter now. So I feel everything should come to an end. And I just saw this interesting news on Facebook and also on the internet, where several pictures were doing this rounds, where somebody mentioned seeing this huge straight fireball in Assam. I don't know if that's a meteorite or if that's an asteroid, or if that's something that is to do with the fire that was going on in Bangsan. But anyway, just leave your comments there. I'm just so intrigued about it. I haven't seen any other news other than that day. There's a couple of pictures were posted by a lot of my friends, as well as the news. So pretty intrigued to know about that. That's one more reason to make this vlog, to ask you people what was that. But anyway, that's my setup for today. I'm sitting in the drawing room, having the laptop by the table. There's the fireplace, which is not with the fire right now. There's no fire there. Yeah, pretty boring day ahead tomorrow, because the project is on and we have to research a lot. And I don't know, I was deciding to do this little thing where we could go out for a while and go for a trekking thing But do you think we should go trekking this week?
Yeah.
I mean, scooter projects, right? How much we're gonna do those projects? I mean, it's pretty boring. When I say of projects, it's really boring because there needs to be a lot of things that is to be done. And interestingly, I think you guys might not be seeing me, so please switch on the light. You can't see me otherwise. Yeah, now right, now it's pretty bright. So yeah, it's a pretty boring atmosphere nowadays. It's just 1 month away from my graduation. Not really the graduation ceremony, but 1 month away from completing my course. And so yeah, like busy with the projects and everything. And yeah, that's what have been happening these days. So and then yeah, one more important thing. Yeah, so to have a haircut in Ireland, if you have a student pass or student ID, then the interesting thing is you can get a 10 euro or maybe if the owner is really good with you and he's friends with you, you can get a 15 euro discount. And unfortunately, I was really stupid to not carry my student ID card, so I paid a hefty sum of 30 euros to have a haircut. And this is how the haircut looks. This is how it looks. I know it's like pretty clean from the sides, but I hope it is really looking good because some people were complaining in the vlogs that I should have not, you know, increased the length of my hair. But yeah, I listened to some of my friends as well as some really new friends that I made through the vlogs, and yeah, I decided to give it a try and had a trim. And fortunately, I'm happy with this cut, but one of my friends was not apparently, and she called me up in in the morning just to ask me how am I, and just she complained at the first of the conversation, like at the starting of the conversation, that my haircut sucks because it looks too French. I don't know what too French means, but I'm happy with this and I hope you guys like this haircut. So yeah, that's one new thing that happened during the pandemic. I was not really planning to cut my hair during this year, but it happened. So there's this nice little song called Colin -OPA, which I found out on YouTube a couple of days back, all thanks to a meme. I'll include the meme if possible in the vlog. So that's a pretty nice song with a few sick beats, so you can check that song. This is the song that I'm talking about right now. It's really comfortable to sit in the stairs, and when I'm having this face-to-face conversation with the camera from the stairs, it seems really important, the color of the stairs maybe. So yeah, the announcement that I wanted to share with you people is that I am planning to create this small talk show. Maybe not a talk show, it's not right to call it a talk show. It's like a mixed show. I'm just planning to write this segment on YouTube for my channel, where I deliver the daily news from all around the world in somewhat a quirky or a sarcastic format. I don't know, you can Google pretty much what a sarcastic or quirky kind of, or maybe something funny which is associated with the news from around the world. Yeah, so I'm talking about funny contents. Speaking of which, yeah, I'm really thinking of writing this show for my YouTube channel, where I can gather this news from all around the world and present it before you people, so that you have this daily intake of news from around the world in the most fruitful and as well as the funniest format available. I'm just very eager to give it a try or a shot, and I want your feedback on the same as to how you feel about me doing that. So if you guys think it's not a pretty good idea to do, I might not go ahead with that. But personally, I think it is. I should do it. But you guys matter. You are the audience. So I would like to use this opportunity to ask you people if you feel I should do that. So pretty much, I want the comment section below this video, the comment section below, I want it filled up with comments as constructive as possible. As much as you want, just comment on this video and like my videos. It's really necessary to like my videos. If you do not like my videos, I know you guys watch the video, but please make sure you like it. When you like my video, it gets into this weird algorithm that YouTube creates, which suggests my video to more and more people. So that's really pretty much important. So this like button is somewhere here. This is the video that you're watching. There's this like button somewhere here, or somewhere maybe here, I don't know. Just hit that like. or and also the subscribe button, which is nearer to this. And I'm just showing it with my hand because yeah, that's how I remember. I know there's a subscribe button and a like button. I want both of the buttons hit so that you get my content daily. And also the bell button near the subscribe button, which is very important so that you get the notifications from my video when a video drops in. Yeah, that's it about today's video. Just smash this subscribe button. That's very important. Thank you. जैसे भावे न मानुबिलके बहुत सगे मैं माने बेया शब्द हितो लास्ट ब्लॉग कोन দি দিছো ইয়াতো দিছো উপায় নাই মানুহে জেনেৰেলি কথা বললে তেনেকৈ কথা পাতে মই ইমান মানে সত্যটো কৰিছে কোনো কথা নাপাতে নেকি কোৱা তুমি লাহেকে কে দিছা যাতে তোমাৰ ঘৰ মানুহ তুমি মই নাই মানে ইয়া কৰে